Understanding the phrase, Kangaroo Shooter. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of an interesting phrase, Kangaroo Shooter. This phrase might sound peculiar, but it's a great example of how colorful and varied the English language can be. So, let's dive in and unpack its meaning and how you can use it in conversation. Kangaroo shooter is a phrase that isn't commonly used in everyday English but can be found in specific contexts. It refers literally to someone who hunts kangaroos. However, this phrase can also be used metaphorically. In the metaphorical sense, a kangaroo shooter might refer to someone who tackles big, challenging tasks or someone who is daring and adventurous. It's important to understand that the meaning can change depending on the context. Let's explore its literal and metaphorical uses. In this section, we will look at how kangaroo shooter is used in sentences. For example, 1. Literal, he worked as a kangaroo shooter in the Australian outback. 2. Metaphorical, taking on such a huge project at work. You're quite the kangaroo shooter. Notice how the meaning changes from a literal job description to describing someone's boldness or ability to handle big tasks. The term, kangaroo shooter, is closely tied to Australian culture, as kangaroos are native to Australia. It's a term that might be more commonly understood in Australian English. This section highlights the importance of cultural context in understanding certain English phrases. Here, we'll discuss the appropriate and inappropriate uses of kangaroo shooter. It's crucial to be sensitive to the context and audience when using phrases with cultural or specific connotations. For instance, using it in a formal business meeting outside Australia might lead to confusion. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, kangaroo shooter, and shown you how dynamic and context-dependent the English language can be. Remember, understanding a phrase's origin and cultural context is key to using it correctly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.